If you're new to the channel, my name's Dino, and with my partner Adam and our fur baby Twyla, we love travelling in our Ford Transit camper van, and on occasions taking out our Jimny to do a bit of tent camping or an Airbnb. If you enjoy free or paid camping, camping tips and tricks, camp cooking ideas, and exploring towns with a good old country bakery, you come to the right channel. If you like what you see, press the subscribe button and come with us as we travel around Australia, one town at a time. Now, let's get into this episode. Okay, Aldi is back with their camping products again, and it's been on sale for a couple of days now. So if you want any of these products, make sure you get in quick. And I've said before on episodes like this, if you can't get it at one Aldi, try another one, because some of them sell out a lot quicker than others. Let's go in and see what new products they've got and some of the older products that they've brought back in. All right, where are we going to start? Let's head over here and check out this camping chair. And I don't think they've had these before. It comes in a handy bag, which is always good. Still probably a little bit too big for my liking, but it's coming in at $69.99. Then we've got stabling jack pads. Pretty self-explanatory what these are. And then, have they got any other pictures? Oh, it comes with a strap so you can keep them all together. That's kind of handy. There's a little bit more information there if you want to pause and have a read. And these are coming in at $9.99. Then we've got some awning tensioners, and again, self-explanatory, I think. You can Google about them if you want to know a bit about them, but they will keep it all nice and tight, so it's not flopping around in the wind, and they're coming in at $14.99. Now we've got another chair here. This one just flat packs. It doesn't come with a bag, but it does swing back by the looks of it, so you can lean back in it. And it comes with a little handy table on the side. Here's some information if you want to have a read, and there's a little bit more on this side with the weight, I think, there. So if you want to have a look at that. But this one is coming at $69.99. There are so many people today with washing machines in their vans, so this is quite a handy idea if you just want to hang some stuff out really quick to dry. It comes in a handy carry bag. It doesn't weigh much at all. It's so light. This is probably the lightest thing I've picked up today. And let's have a look at the price, $39.99. Now, if you want to step up in the world, they've got these here. So a little bit of a step up. The legs fold under. They've got the glow in the dark on top, so you can see where you're going at night. They look pretty cool and stable, but there's no price. Now, to go with your new fold down clothesline, you can get the collapsible washing basket. It's quite large, actually. And here it is here, but it does come back down to pretty much nothing, and they're going for $19.99. It looks like they've got everything here today, including the kitchen sink. This is collapsible as well. So this is 17 litres. There's a fair whack of information on here you can read about. I find this useful. We do have something similar in our van, and sometimes we even use it for a washing basket. So it's $19.99, and on the side it's just shows you the plug that it comes with, and it has a drainer. Now we've got a huge solar mat, I should say, and it's flexible. There you go. So there's not too much information on here, but I'm sure if you know what you're looking for, you'll know if this is for you. And there's a lollipop here as well. And that one's retailing at $159. Then they've got extension leads here, pretty standard, nothing overly special about them, just that they're for caravans and camper vans and RVs. And they're going for, how much are they? $24.99. If you're someone who doesn't like to talk to their neighbours, they've got privacy screens, and they look pretty strong. And I'll just find a price for these ones. So they're retailing at $39.99. Cool Touch camping blanket. Now, I haven't seen these here before. A little bit different, but they do feel quite cool to touch, like the name says. They've got a couple of colours, and no price, unfortunately. And then these are a bit different. I haven't seen these here before, but they're probably better for winter, not so much summer. But if you've got a need for it, they're $19.99. Now they've got some collapsible containers. They've got round ones. These are the round ones. And then they've got some, like a rectangle, but they've got dividers in these ones. And what else do they got? Oh, and then they've got the, similar to the round, but rectangle as well. And they're going for $14.99. Now we've had the washing basket, we've had the clothesline, now we've got the washing machine. Here it is here. Here are the controls. This is what it looks like. And I'll just get a price for everyone. What is it? $59.99, and that's including the fans as well they got here, which look pretty cool. This all folds down too, which is good. That's inside it. So there's a few bit of information on the back of the box there if you want to stop, pause and have a read. Now we'll look at the fans. The fans look awesome as well. Looks like it's got a little digital screen there, and that's how they look. This is the back of the box if you want to take a look, just showing how it's all touch screen. And so these are the same price as what I just showed you. Now I'm very excited about the next product. It is the 12-volt air fryer. This is something I'm definitely taking home with me today. It's the very last one in this store, so hopefully if you want one of these, you get in quick. It looks fantastic. It's only small, but being 12 volt, that's all you kind of need. You can use it off grid that way if you've got enough battery in your van. And it uses a Anderson power connector. And this is the same price as the other two before it, $59.99. Definitely grabbing one. I think the next thing's a dashboard camera. So if you're after one of those, we haven't got one in our van, but maybe it's something we should think about in the future. Don't know too much about them. I've never had one before. Could even work in the Jimny actually. And they're going for $89.99. 10-meter drinking hose. And then also they got your sludge hose as well. If you need one of those, $19.99. I'm definitely taking this with me before someone steals it. When you're not using your caravan, if you want to cover it up, they do have the covers here. Pretty self-explanatory, don't have to say too much about these. And they're going for $119. Now, if you're towing a caravan and you've got your car and you've got your dog in the back, these are fantastic. Laura and Rob have one of these in their ute in the back, and it's perfect for their dog Dusty. Keeps your seats nice and clean, and for $14.99, why wouldn't you buy it? Then you got your TV, 24-inch, and you can plug this in, get your stand, your YouTube. Definitely need your YouTube, and that one's going for $189. Now for some newer products that I haven't seen before. Now they've had similar things to this, but I haven't seen the square, and I'm liking the depth of these. And they have the handles that come off and go back on. Great for storage. If you don't want to save room, it's always good to be able to remove the handle. And these look like they're really good quality too. Well, I'm only judging from the packet anyway. But let's see how much these are going for. So they're going for $49.99. Now I'm not sure if they've had these before either, but I did see them in the catalogue and it looked very interesting. It's like a clothes horse, or pretty much is a clothes horse, but it folds flat. So you can have it on your van, I suppose, all the time. And then when you need to use it, it just pulls out and you can hang your tea towels on it, your underwear, whatever you like. And it's not too big, it's not too bulky. So for a few pieces of clothing, I think it would work well. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a price. Now these have been around for about a week, but I actually purchased one. This has got nothing to do with the camping side of things. But we did get one of these for Adam, so if he wants to use his laptop in the van, it's a bit more comfortable. We can sit in bed and use it, and they're only $19.99. And they've got some other things like this at Aldi at the moment if you want to check them out. Well, there you go, guys. I was lucky enough to get myself an air fryer. It was the last one there. Like I said, getting quick. And I'm really excited. Can't wait to use that in the future. We have our new Sunday episode out that just came out. Make sure you go check that out. I'll see if I can link it in at the end. And remember to hype that episode and like this one and leave a comment, tell me what your favourite item was. Alright guys, and until this Sunday at 5 PM, I'll see you then. See you guys.